Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about the repeat element settings for a strip and a column. Alright, we're at our demo project here, and let's head over to our product catalog page. If I'll double click the strip, I can see that the strip is repeated. And when you want to bring a collection of data from Salesforce to map dynamically to your page, you want to tell the strip, hey, I'm bringing multiple results into that strip. Please repeat yourself with the dynamic data that we're receiving. Let's see which dynamic data we're getting in this instance, and I'll head over. I'm just going to click on the image, and we can head over to Salesforce, and I can see that it's being mapped from a get from Salesforce, and we can see that we're returning multiple items onto that strip, and we're mapping fields on the strip, hence we're repeating it. And our condition is just give back whatever product code starts with 11 dash. Okay, so let's see this in action. So let's preview this page, and we have our get running, and we see that it repeated itself beautifully. If I'll double click the strip again, and I'll remove the repeat, and I'll save the preview, I'll get no results since we got back collection of data and we were expecting a singular product in this instance. Okay, so put back the repeat, and now let's talk about column repeat. Let's head over to our column repeat page. Okay, let's see what we have here. So I'll double click the column, and I have an option to repeat a column. Now, the difference is between repeat column and repeat strip that whenever you repeat a column, it will repeat to the side until it has no more space width-wise, and then it will start going down vertically. Okay, so let's go ahead and do so. I'll repeat the column, and the only thing we have here is just a subhead, the simple text, and I've mapped it from Salesforce. So let's take a look at our get. Very simple get, no conditions, returning. Let's return up to 50 records, and let's sort it by create a date, ascending, and I'll hit apply, and let's close it, save, and let's preview. Let's see what we see. Okay, so we're seeing the only thing I've mapped there is the account name, just to show you how this does. So we repeated sideways until we didn't have any more space, and then we started going down. Just to demonstrate the differences, if I'll head over here and take off the repeat column, and now I will repeat the actual strip, and let's save and refresh, you can see that we get one account per strip. So it will always take the entire length of the strip and repeat it vertically. And obviously you can add, as we've seen with the product, you can have a bunch of elements in a single strip and repeat the whole thing. And this is how it's done.